morning, good morning. I'm very orange. I put on my fake tan like 2 nights ago and then I forgot to wash it off. So I just did that like 5 minutes ago and now I'm orange. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you don't know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be playing with a bunch of new stuff, but namely I've got some things from Morphe 2 and we are going to be playing with these today. I really want to do a wear test with the Morphe Hint Hint Skin Tint. So that's what we're going to do today, and then I'll just use some other stuff that I have that's new on my face, but I won't talk about them too much in depth, but I do want to really focus on the skin tint and the Morphe 2 stuff for this video, so I'm very excited. And if you're new to the channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird awesome makeup family. And I'm gonna also have my Instagram linked right up here, and it will also be linked in the description for you to click on. If you don't mind, please go follow me on Instagram. I love posting pictures and videos. The new Reels things have been coming out, so I've been highly active on the Reels. I'm so excited about it. But yes, if you would like to follow me there, I'd really appreciate it. But yes, let's jump in. Alrighty, so for the not foundation, it's a Hint Hint Skin Tint. Here is what she looks like, and I think this is super cute. Like, just all in all, I think the Morphe 2 collection is very cute. It's with Charlie and Dixie D'Amelio. If you don't have TikTok, then you probably don't know who that is, but they are two really adorable girls that are really popular on TikTok. They are doing this together, and this is again like Gen Z light makeup, let your own natural skin shine through kind of thing, which I'm here for. I really love that because you guys know that I don't really use super heavy foundations anymore, so I'm here for it. This is what the little bottle looks like, and I think this packaging is so cute, so cute. I did get the shade called A Hint of Almond. I don't know if this is going to work because I'm quite tan and I feel like, I don't know, we'll see. Oh, it's very liquidy. It's extremely liquidy, and yeah, I don't know if this is going to work, but we'll see. Well, it's a little light. I actually did have another shade called Hint of Walnut that I gave to my mom because at the time I thought that it was gonna be far too dark because I didn't have this tan. But now that I do, I wish I still had that shade with me just to have. So I feel like this is a little too light, but it'll be okay. It'll be just fine. Ooh, I like how this looks though. You guys know I love skin tints. Like, I think, like, obviously I totally understand if you feel more comfortable wearing, you know, a more heavy foundation, if that's just your jam, if that's your vibe, absolutely go for it. But like, I love the idea of being like, you know, let your natural skin shine through. If you have a few, you know, blemishes or imperfections or redness, you know, you're still you and you're still beautiful. So I think that's a really good message that they're putting out when it comes to these newer kind of lighter coverage options, because I don't think that you have to like hide behind makeup or anything. And I'm not saying that anyone that likes heavy foundation is hiding behind makeup. I just think that people have their own, I just think that people have their own style and they have their own way they want to look, and I don't think there's anything wrong with any of it. But I think it is, see, it does not match my neck at all. Oh my no, oh my god. But I do think it is a good message for younger people to not have to worry about, you know, since the makeup industry has been for quite a while a very heavy makeup, you know, that full beat, you know, and everything. So I feel like for the younger generation it could be a really nice, you know, breath of fresh air, being like, oh, so I don't have to do that. No, of course not. So this is on. I really like the way that this looks so far. It doesn't have a smell, even, oh my, I can't even smell half the time. I really like this. I kind of hope it oxidizes like that much because it is pretty light. I feel like if I had that hint of walnut, it would be perfect. But my mom has it. As for concealer, I don't think they came out with a concealer because I didn't see it on the website. So, oh, and these are the brushes. I didn't even say I'm using the Morphe 2 brushes as well. This one is the flat top kabuki brush, which I love. I've gotten so much in. so much more into applying my foundation with a brush, or my skin tint or BB cream with a brush, because I don't know, I feel like it really gets in the skin and like gets in the pores and everything, so I like it. What, baby? What, baby? Why you cry? Okay, come here. She just wants to be on top of me. You can sit with us. Okay, I'm going to use the Stretch Concealer from Glossier. I don't actually know if one of these, I don't think any of these are meant to be like a concealer brush, but maybe I can try. I usually always just apply my concealer with my finger. I didn't use primer. I always do this. I swear, like 9 times out of 10, I forget to freaking use primer. I'm so glad I moisturized my skin before I put this makeup on. I don't think this brush is meant to be used for concealer. I'm really loving the way that this looks. Honestly, I am. It's not like as dewy as I would normally go, because you guys know that I'm like a dewy bitch. I love being dewy, dewy, dewy. The sweatier the better. But like, this is not super dewy, which is fine. I'm actually gonna go ahead and just powder my concealer really lightly. We'll move on to the eyes. I did get 2 of these right here. These are super cute. These are the Jelly Eye Shimmers. I got 2 shades. One is called Sunshine and one is called A Bright Idea. This one right here in Sunshine is this really, really pretty kind of orangey gold pinky color. It looks beautiful. And then this one in Bright Idea is more kind of like an iridescent pinky shimmer. I don't know which one I want to do. I have touched these. So I have tried both of these out. I haven't really used them on my eyes, but I have tried them. So, or like I have touched them. So like here is what they look like. Oh, I don't know. But I will swatch this one for you. This one is called Sunshine. It's called Sunshine. And then this one is Bright Idea. And they're kind of like a jelly consistency, like a moussey kind of jelly. Kind of reminds me of the ColourPop. Ooh, that one's really pretty. The ColourPop Jelly Much shadows. This one right here is called Bright Idea. I think I want to do that one. I don't know, they both look really nice. Maybe I'll just try Bright Idea today, because that one looks really, really nice. Ooh, look at that. This is really cute for like, you know, like a basic one and done look. Look how cute. And you could throw a little something in your crease if you wanted to. I'm gonna keep it like this actually. That looks so cute. I really like it. And then going back to the tint, the skin tint. So I will say it is a tiny bit more matte than I would normally go with. It's not like a matte finish. It's more of like a natural finish, I feel like. And I do like it. I feel like if I would have used my primer like I was supposed to, I would love it. Because I don't know, I just feel like it is a tiny bit drier than I normally see my skin. Maybe it's me that I normally see my skin like as wet as the morning dew on a leaf. So I am going to go ahead and just do the rest of my face makeup, and I am using a powder product on top of this, so we are going to see how this works on top of this skin tint. It got a tiny little bit chunky up here, but the other than that, it seems to be just fine. I feel like it's gonna rain today. Maybe because it's like really early in the morning. Well, it's not anymore. It's 9:20 now. 9:20. What? I thought I said 4:20 in my head. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows with the Glossier Boy Brow and Brow Flick and Boy Brow, and I'll be right back. Right, so I do have a new blush to try. It's not, well, these shades are new, but the product is not new. I picked up 2 new Color Drops Serum Blush. These are from M Cosmetics. I love M Cosmetics blushes so much. Like, they're some of my favorites. So I'm trying to figure out which one I want to do today. Maybe this one, let me show you what they are first. This one is called Peachy Peach, and this one is called Venetian Rose. This one is a peachy color. Don't mind my awful fake tan. This one is Venetian Rose. She says you only need 1 drop, and I think that's even too much because I do agree with that. You don't need a lot at all. Oh, it's so pretty though. Oh, that looks so nice. I love this color so much. It's very pretty. I'm gonna go do my liner really quick because I am going to apply some more Glamnetic lashes, but I'm going to do these really tiny ones. These are called Venus, just to try these out. I haven't worn these yet, so I want to try them. That's not bad for me. It's really not. I don't want to mess it up. This one is a tiny tad longer than the other one, but I'm not gonna mess it up because I know I'm not gonna touch it. My too much gene is coming out. But I am gonna pop on some mascara really quick, and for mascara, I'm gonna use the brand new Hourglass mascara. So this is really fun. I haven't used this one yet, like at all. I just got it like yesterday. So this is super, ooh, it's got a small wand as well. This one reminds me of the Thrive Cosmetics liquid lash extensions wand. Oh wait, before I do that, I'm gonna put on my magnetic lash glue. I learned that lesson before. Now I'm gonna go on with the mascara. This mascara is really good so far. I do like it. I'll use it on a day where I'm not having like a full-on liner moment. But so far, I'm liking it. I think it really did a lot for my lashes. You can't tell. I do like it quite a bit, but that's nice. I got mascara all over my lids. I'm letting it dry. Now I'm gonna go in with these. These ones are meant to be super duper natural looking, which they definitely are. They're very light. So, which I'm totally fine with. I like a very natural lash. I'm just afraid that you're not gonna be able to see it at all. Okay, so you can see it. These are definitely meant to be your everyday kind of lash. You really can't tell very much. I feel like my natural lashes are even a bit more, not clumpy, but like a bit more lifted than the actual, like I feel like you can tell where my natural lashes are. All right, there you go. I guarantee you can't tell that I have falsies on. But I do. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of bottom mascara, and then we will call it a day. Now for lipstick, I am going to use something new to me as well. This is by Cosmetics, and I'm going to use the Becca Hydra-Light Plumping Lip Balm. I meant to use this in one of my last videos, but I completely forgot about it, so I'm going to use it today. And I'm going to use the Cosmetics lip liner right here. This is in the shade Teddy. I actually just got this yesterday. I'm super excited about it. I'm so not good with lip liners. I never use them. Okay, so I filled my lips in with Teddy. Beautiful lip liner, by the way. I love this so far. I love the shade. And then I'm gonna go over it with the balm right here. This is in the shade Tide. It is a nude shade. I've been using these like outside of videos, but I really like it a lot. And that's beautiful, look at it. It looks great. I almost used the Tom Ford lipstick, but like, he's Tom Ford, and I didn't want to use anything too expensive in this video. And you guys, here is the finished look using the new Morphe 2 products. The only thing I didn't actually have was the blush. I definitely would have used the blush if I had it. I love those little cream blushes. I think they're super cute, but I think that the foundation is great. The tinted moisturizer is really good. I really like it. I think I need a darker shade, honestly, because I feel like I look very light. But the actual formula, I really like it. And then this right here, I was very surprised. This one, I was very surprised by. I didn't use this one, but I really like it. It's like a really cute one and done look. It's very simple. It's really easy to do. I think that it looks super good. We are going to do a wear test and see how everything wears throughout the day. I'm not going to really be focusing on like the mascara, the liner, the lipstick or anything. I'm mostly going to be focusing on the Morphe products. But let's go ahead. I'm going to stop this part here, and the next time you see, it is now 10 o'clock, or it's like 9:55. I put this on at around, I could put the foundation on, let's say at around 9. So I think it's probably been on for about an hour now. So the foundation's already been on for about an hour. So I will check back in with you guys a little bit later on. I'm gonna take my vlogging camera with me to my parents' house. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm super excited. I hope that it wears well and I hope it looks good. But yeah, that's it for this portion right here. Next time you see me, it will be a check-in. That's the word I was looking for. Hello. So this is my first check-in. I actually forgot my vlog camera at home, so I'm using my phone. So here's my first check-in. I'm at my parents' house right now, and here's what my skin is looking like. I feel like it looks really good. I'm not in the best lighting right now. I'll do a better update. Let me actually go to the light. Now I'm in the light, natural lighting, so it's looking pretty good. I still like it. I'm thinking it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It's not creasing. Let me check the eyeshadow. I think it's looking pretty good. Like I said, we've been outside, so it's really hot. So I think it's holding up pretty good. It's been on my face for about, that's my dad. It's been on my face since, when was the first check-in? Like 9 or something, 9:20ish. So it's been on there for a little while now. So now it's almost 2, it's 1:45. So it's been on for a little while. But yeah, I'll check back in. Oh, hello.
Hi there.
So I'll check back in here.
It looks pretty good, I think.
It does look good.
All right.
I'll check back in here a little bit and when it gets later. Okay, so it is much later now, and I know I did one check-in on my phone when I was at my parents' house. I meant to do more, but I mean, here's the last check-in. And that was around like 2, it was like 1:45, 2 o'clock. Now it is 7 o'clock at night. I'm actually fixing to take my makeup off so I can not like go to sleep, but like get in bed and like cuddle my dog. But I do want to wrap this video up. I have some thoughts about this here. I want to zoom you guys in so you can see my skin. Now, I haven't done any touch-ups. I apologize if the lighting is a little dark. It is not like nighttime, but it's a little darker than when I normally film, but like I had ice cream. So now I have like chocolate on my mouth. I apologize. But I think that these jelly shadows actually stayed on super well. Like it's not creasing on my lid, and I put a little concealer down, but I didn't really set it. I love this one. It looks really, really nice still. I think my skin still looks really, really good. I haven't touched it up or done literally anything to it. I didn't apply any more setting spray or anything. I think it looks good. My skin still is not dry at all. My skin still looks like skin. I don't have any flaky bits. So you guys, I have to say, I thoroughly enjoyed my wear test of the Morphe 2 Hint Hint Skin Tint. I will definitely be reusing this again. I really like it. I'm gonna keep using it. I think my skin looks really, really nice. And then I'm gonna keep using this one. I'm gonna try this one again to see what I think about it, but this one right here, I really, really like a lot. That's been my review of the Morphe 2 products. I know some of the, oh, and the brushes. I didn't really even speak about the brushes that much. I really love this kabuki brush. Well, it's not really kabuki, but it's like a flat top brush. I've really been using my Sigma flat top brush, and I freaking love it. It's one of the best brushes in my opinion, but this one I feel like is also really, really good. So I'm gonna try this with other foundations as well. And you have this little brush. This is what I use to apply the jelly shadow. And then you have a couple others in here too. You have one for highlight, and then one, I think this one is more for highlight, but I used it for concealer earlier. Oops. And this one I think you can use for maybe like under eye powder, or maybe you could even use this for like cream blush application. I don't really know, but I really do like these brushes. I'm going to keep the brush set just for these two brushes because I genuinely really like them. But yeah, you guys, that has been my wear test and review of the Morphe 2 Hint Hint Skin Tint and the Jelly Shimmer Shadows. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that you do know that you want to see my videos. Again, I'll have my Instagram right up here and linked in the description if you would like to check it out. I would really appreciate it. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.